In this video, I'm gonna share with you how to add take profit and stop loss on NinjaTrader. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open NinjaTrader, then go to ATM strategy here. Click on it and click on custom. Now we have here order quantity. This is how many contracts you want. So for me, I will keep it on one. And we have here the parameter type, how many ticks you want to make your stop loss, okay? You can use ticks, pips, price, percent, or currency. So for me, I would prefer currency. If you want to use, for example, 1%, 2%, you have to choose percent here, okay? So for me, I will choose currency. And my stop loss will be, for example, let's say 100, or let's say just $80. And my take profit will be, for example, 160. Click on save as template, and here you have to give it a name. So let's say, for example, ST80 TP 160. Okay, click on save, and now click on OK. Now, as you can see, this is our stop loss and take profit. Now, let's say, for example, you made your analysis and you want to buy.
Order filled.
As you can see, this is our stop loss and this is our take profit. If you want to change them, you can change them, for example, like this. Just drag it and you will change it. Okay? And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.